Welcome friends to the lecture on Tally ERP9 with GST. In this lecture we'll be seeing on creating a company, how to alter a company, and how to shut a company and how to delete a company. When you click icon on Tally in your desktop, Tally opens and it shows a screen which is in front of you. So in this we have licensing operations, where you will be activating your license. Then if you're using a commercial Tally, you can reactivate your existing license, and you can get your rental license for your Tally. The same way, there is some configuration. As we will be working in Tally in educational mode only, so you'll be shifting the cursor and highlight the work in educational mode, or you can press Alt W where your primary screen gets opened, which is Gateway of Tally. This is your main screen in Gateway of Tally. Okay, so now we're going to do how to create a company, altering company and shutting down a company, and ultimately deleting a company. Now for creating a company, there is a shortcut tool, Alt F3. When you press Alt F3, you find Tally in the right hand main area. You find company info. Within that you have select company, you have shut company, and you have create company. So highlighting create company, you just type enter. When you type enter, Tally opens a screen of company creation. In that first one, you have this directory tool. Directory has been given. So directory is a path where the company data will be stored. In this, my path is C drive. If you want to keep your data in another location, you can specify the location. Suppose you want to save your Tally data in D drive, you can specify the path D:/. Right now we'll be creating a company called Swayam Education Private Limited. It's a dummy company, even though for Swayam Education Private Limited. Then you press enter. Automatically the mailing name comes up as Swayam Education Private Limited. Then you type address number 19 Jahangir Street, Azimabad. Enter. Then Azimabad, Odisha. Then press enter. Then you select your countries. Select your countries. There is in the right hand side you will be seeing a list of countries has been displayed by the Tally. You select India. Then in which state we are. Since it is Orissa, you select from the list of states is Odisha. So pin code 756001. Then you type phone number if you have phone number of the company. So I have this dummy phone number 2234567. Then if you have mobile phone number, you can type the mobile phone number 9438396573. See, these are dummy phone number, for education mode purpose. If you have fax number of your company, you can just type fax number. If you have email ID, you type email ID swayaedu@gmail.com. Then if you have website, type https://swayam.gov.in. So when you enter this, press enter. Then the cursor comes to financial year begins from. Normally the financial year begins from 1st April to 31st March. So from 1st April 2020 to 31st March 2021. So it differs depending upon the financial year and the accounting year, where the normally the accounting and financial year it works. books beginning from your company can start from October, or it can start from August or from December. Okay, so normally in educational mode, even though you change your company date, starting company date from October, it changes itself from 1st April itself. Okay, so suppose you want start you have incorporated a company from 1st August, so put 1/8/2020. Okay, 9. So this is security control. Tally what password, please don't do anything. Enter. The cursor comes to a base currency symbol. Since we are ours is an Indian company, so let it remain with rupee. Then INR is a formal name. Suffix symbol is like putting your currency symbol after your rupees. That is not required. Okay, then add space, show amount in millions. That is not required for us. And we have a number of decimal places too. Then representing amount after decimal is paise, and the number of decimal places for amount in word 2. Let it remain like that. After that, when you press enter, a small box crops up. Okay, it says accept yes or no. Now it is like accepting your company. The company is going to create. Okay, now like you have to declare the whatever the information you have entered is correct or not. Okay, for that maybe you can press enter or you can press yes. So I will press the key called Y in the keyboard. When I press Y, Tally creates a company called Swayam Education Private Limited. Okay, in the left hand side and screen area, you find that the company name of the company is Swayam Education Private Limited, and there is no vouchers has been entered because we have now only newly we have created a company called Swayam Education Private Limited, and we have not entered into any transactions. Now in the above, it seems that the date has to be changed. Current period is from 18 to 19 and current date. Okay, click here current period. You can change it from 1st April 2020. Okay, enter again to 31st March 2021. When you enter that, the current period of your accounting year, or we called as financial year, just sourced from 1st April 2020 to March 31st 2021. Then we have this current date from 1st April 2020. See, we cannot change the current date. Say suppose today is a current date of say 28/7/2020. You cannot able to change in educational mode the current date. So default Tally will fix the current date from 1st April 2020 for in educational mode, right? So give an escape for that. You cannot change the current date because we are working in educational mode. So now first step, you have created a company, right? Now we'll be doing some alteration of company, right? Once again escape, I'm giving escape. Once again coming to main screen, that is primary screen of the Tally. Once again I'm going to press Alt F3. Okay, and in the company info I'll be selecting alter. Okay, while highlighting the alter, press enter. Okay, and you have list of companies which has been already there. Then you have to edit Swayam. Suppose I need there is an error. Suppose I have to have wrongly entered education has education and Swayam has Siam. So I can do an edit for that. You select the particular company where you have to do an edit or alter for the company. Enter that. Again the company alteration screen. Before that, here when you create a new company, it shows company creation. Now it shows company alteration, right? Now in the above thing, delete it. I am typing it as Siam Education Private Limited. Okay, so automatically the mailing name changes. I'm not changing any other else. Everything is same. I'm keep on pressing enter. Okay. So after that, accept yes. Press enter or press Y in your keyboard. I'm pressing enter. Now the name of the company changes to Siam Education Private Limited. Okay. The company, you have altered this name. Now, third is shut company. So what is the purpose of a shut company? See, shut company is used to load or unload data. Okay, if you're going to upload, unload your company called Siam Education Private Limited, that is very important. When I select shut company, okay, automatically the list which is shown in the company name, the data which is uploaded in Tally of Siam Limited will not be there. Okay, it is like unloading and loading of data of the particular company. Shut company is not deleting a company. First you should remember that shut company is not deleting a company. Whenever you need to shut a company, suppose I'm selecting a company, okay, I don't want this Chand Traders to be listed in the primary screen. I'm selecting Chand Traders and I'm going to shut company called Chand Traders. So here the data which has been uploaded in Tally will be automatically unload. So now there is no company called Chand Traders. Once again you have to select a company for working on that, right? So I'll be selecting a company. The company we have created is Siam Education Private Limited, right? Once again I'm selecting the company, then the company gets uploaded and comes into Siam Education Private Limited. Now coming to last part is on deletion of company, how to delete a company. Okay, once again come to primary screen of Tally, that is gateway of Tally. Press Alt F3. You have your company info. In this company info, come to alter. Select Siam Education Private Limited, where the company has to be deleted. Okay, enter. Once again it comes around company alteration. Now you have to press a key called Alt D. Okay, for deletion of company you have to press Alt D. It will ask for you whether I have to delete a company, for yes or no. You press yes. Why? Are you sure? Yes. So the company is entirely get deleted. The Siam Education Private Limited gets deleted. If you're going to see select company and see whether the company exists or not, you can search here Siam Education Private Limited does not exist, because the entire data and the company gets deleted. Hope so you're more clear on this lecture of creation of company, alteration of company and deletion of company. Thank you for watching the lecture.